Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. It's Eva here and I'm continuing with playing around with alternative smile lines for the summer, and here I'm showing you a super easy summery design that a lot of you can recreate so easily, my summer aqua dot nails. So yeah, here I'm getting my tips ready, putting them on the stamps. I'm just filing the tip because there's always a little bit of plastic excess, and all I did was using this blue gel polish from Neonail. It's called Blue Tide, super pretty summer color, and I was just applying the blue all over the nail, then curing that, and then creating this dotted smile line. And I think this is a very easy design, especially for everybody who does not yet feel sure enough to create an even, steady-handed, conventional smile line, let's say. So what I did was I was playing around with different size dots, and then I was creating a little bit extra here and there. I'm going to use my dotting tool, but you could also use the tip of an orange wood stick or even a toothpick. Something that will create a nice round dot for you. So here I'm coming in, looking for the center of the nail, marking that, and then also I go on each side to mark how deep I want the smile line to go. And then I just take it from there, and it doesn't have to be perfect, because I think the charm in this aqua dot design is that it is not symmetric. The dots are different sizes. I'm taking extra care to not to create too geometric even angles, but I want to have every dot a little bit here and there, a little bit crooked, so it is supposed not to look super symmetrical and perfect, but it's supposed to look, yeah, more natural, like the pattern on a seashell, or you know what I mean, like water drops just inversed, and yeah, in white instead of being clear or blue. And I think it turned out quite alright. I would wear this design in a moment. It is so easy and so quick to create. So here what I'm doing is I'm looking for spaces to go in with tinier dots. And there we have our first alternative smile line. I put that into the lamp and go on to the second nail, and I basically do exactly the same. I bring on different size dots on the nail plate, but this time I will stop in between, come in with this very fine glitter, and then I take one of my cuticle pushers, and what I do is I put the glitter over the still wet white gel paint in order to have the glitter absorbed into the dots. Then I cure that. I will take the excess glitter away, and what I was hoping for was to have some glittery dots and then some just plain white dots. So this is the first nail, I think, or is it the glitter dots already? Sometimes my light is just too bright and I cannot really say. I guess we will see no more. Ah, here, okay. So here I'm cleaning the excess glitter away. And I think I even came in with a bit of a cotton swipe and alcohol. And then in between the glitter dots, I put more of the plain white dots. And that was the design for the second nail. And now for the third nail, I put my Beetles top coat on the blue gel polish, cure that, and once that is cured, I come in with one of my chrome powders. I think this is an extra green and blue chrome powder, and yeah, it creates this extra shimmer effect on the nail. And again, then after this chrome powder was applied, I sealed it with another layer of top coat, and then I created the dotted smile line on top of that. So yeah, I think this is a super simple, very pretty summer design that a lot of you can recreate really. You do not have to be a Picasso for that. If you do not have a dotting tool, a toothpick, the other side of a toothpick would do it, and then the pointy side of the toothpick in order to create the tinier dots on the nail. And then with a bit of variation, using a fine glitter or chrome powder, you could create the most beautiful sets, and everybody would look at your nails and think, wow, that is so creative. So yeah, it's smile line playing around time. I think on the very left nail there are the glitter dots. You can hardly see them in the light. Anyway, I hope I could inspire you. Let me know in the comment section below what you think, and I hope to see you in my next one. Thank you for watching. Bye.